Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Watch Pro tips step by step clearly. To start using your Apple Watch effectively, ensure it is fully charged. Turn on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. To pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app on your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the devices by aligning the watch face with the camera viewfinder on your iPhone. Once paired, select your preferred language and adjust basic settings such as notifications and app layouts. To customize your watch face, press firmly on the display and swipe to choose from various designs. To add complications, touch and hold the watch face, tap Edit, and select the complications you want. For health tracking, navigate to the Heart Rate app to monitor your heart rate throughout the day. Use the Activity app to track your daily movement, exercise, and standing goals. To set reminders or alarms, use the built-in Siri feature by saying, "Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes." You can respond to messages directly on your watch by swiping up on notifications and choosing to reply with. To access your apps, press the digital crown, which shows all installed apps in a grid or list view. To control music playback, open the Now Playing app and play, pause, or skip tracks. If you need navigation, use the Maps app to get directions right on your wrist. For a quick way to check the weather, swipe up to access the control center and find the weather complication. You can also customize your notifications in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, selecting which alerts you want to receive. To ensure your Apple Watch stays updated, regularly check for software updates in the Apple Watch app. Enjoy exploring all the features your Apple Watch has to offer for a more connected and active lifestyle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.